Yeah. Hare Krishna. Yes, it's exactly. Yes, let me share the video. Yes, Mataji. This is the YouTube link. Hare Krishna, everyone. Hare Krishna, all. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. I have a new member, or the name is changed. Hare Krishna. Deb Malya. Are you new, Mataji or Prabhuji? Hare Krishna, Nita Mataji. Hare Krishna. You can unmute yourself.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Mataji, you're new to the class, or your name is different? Nita Mataji said Hare Krishna. Deb Malya, there is a participant. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Anyhow, welcome for all new. Mihir Prabhu was absent yesterday. Ami do class at 7 o'clock. Okay, Mataji. Okay. Okay, Mataji. Wonderful. You're always welcome to attend. Hare Krishna. So we'll start with the class. We should not delay, yeah, to know about the class. 1 second. Did I take up this? Okay. Yes. Hare Krishna, day 3. So, welcome everyone for the 3rd class of the Glories of Holy Name. And in this class, we are just discussing about the glories of Holy Name. Yeah, just that, nothing else. Yes, so today is the 3rd day. Yes, Mataji, can you please recite this?
Yes, the holy name is the universal and supreme religion for this world. Krite yadhyayato Vishnu, Tretayam yajato makhaihi, Dwapare paricharyayam, Salav tadhari kirtanat. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So here, this is the shloka from Srimad Bhagavatam, 12th canto, 3rd chapter, 52, shloka number 52. It is said that whatever result was obtained in Satya Yoga by meditating, Dayato Vishnu. So in Satya Yoga, the prescribed yajna is meditation on the Lord Vishnu. Yeah. So whatever the result we obtain, if we were in Satya Yoga and you earned the merits of your work, yeah, in Treta Yoga by performing sacrifices. Yeah, and in Dwapar Yuga by serving the Lord's lotus feet. Can also be obtained in Kali Yuga simply by chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. That is the power of Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. By doing all the services, whatever results you are getting, same results you will get it just very simple by taking the Lord's name, that is Hare Krishna Maha Mantra in this Kali Yuga. So that is the best part of Kali Yuga. Just taking the Lord's name is going to give you the same results. Where in Satya Yuga, they were sitting and, they were meditating for thousands of years, like 5,000 years, 10,000. Their lifespan is very longer compared to people in Kali Yuga. Yeah, and you had to do sacrifices. You need a lot of money. You need to bring the people, who have the knowledge of reciting the shlokas, doing the yagnas. Yeah, it was costing a lot. So this was done in Treta Yuga. And serving the lotus feet, you had to construct a lot of big temples, do the worship of the deities in Dwapar Yuga. Yeah, but in Kali Yuga, whatever you did in these 3 yugas, the yagna which was prescribed for these 3 yugas, whatever they did and got the result, same result we will get it in Kali Yuga just by chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. So this is a fortune for all of us, just to take Lord's name. I know it's very difficult. We cannot understand the power of Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. The reason is because we all are in Kali Yuga. We just think, just taking by Lord's name, how can everything be equal? That too equal to meditation for 1,000 years. Yeah. Just sacrifices. We might be thinking, but you need to accept it. We should never doubt the Vedas, the Upanishads, especially Srimad Bhagavatam. Doubting will never take us to the right path. The devotees of the Lord, our ancestors, yeah, our history, this is all our history, isn't it? They are guiding us to serve the Lord. Yeah. And since we are in Kali Yuga, we have got the easiest thing. We need to think another way. We're doing so many things in a day. Yeah, we are doing so many things. In that, just one thing, just add one thing, chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. But what the result you get from this chanting is immeasurable. You cannot compare it to anything else. That is what we all have to know. So today's glories, what are the Harinama, glories, the name of the Lord, glories. We have a wonderful story here. A prostitute who was delivered by Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur was born in a Muslim family. Because of God's grace and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who was there at this time, Haridas Thakur was totally inspired by the Sankirtana movement which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has started, and he joined it, and he took Diksha of chanting the Harinam. So he stayed for some time in the forest, Benapula, he was there, and later he constructed a cottage in the forest. Outside the cottage, he planted a Tulsi plant. Yeah, you can see here. And he would chant the holy name of Krishna 3 lakhs times daily in front of Tulsi. So even now, people who cannot chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, usually we all sit in front of Tulsi Maharani, or we circumambulate Tulsi Maharani and we chant, because Tulsi Maharani, whenever you circumambulate her and sit in front of her and pray, she'll always give us Krishna Bhakti, the love for serving Krishna. Yes. So if you are not able to chant properly, please try this. Sit in front of Tulsi Maharani and you chant. Okay. So same way, Haridas Thakur was doing same thing. Please note, he was chanting 3 lakhs times the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. How many times are we chanting for one day? How many times we are chanting? Any idea? How many times we are chanting? One day? You can put your messages in the chat window. How many times you are chanting? Haridas Thakur is chanting 3 lakh times. I'm chanting only 32 plus 1 with you people, 33. For that only it will take 3 hours for me. Yeah, 1.5 to 1.5 if I take a break. Continuously if I do, it will take 2 hours for me. Yeah, 1 round. See, for me to finish 32 rounds only, it will take 2 hours continuously if I do. Haridas Thakur was chanting 3 lakhs times the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra daily in front of Tulsi Maharani. That is why he was given the name by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Namacharya. The one who is, he was always chanting Nama. He was never leaving the Lord's name, chanting. It was his only duty to do. Yeah. So he chanted throughout the entire day and night. So for his bodily maintenance, what he used to do is to go to the Brahmin's house and beg for some food. Yeah, whatever food he gets, Brahmins would offer the food to the Lord, isn't it? So he was getting prasadam only. So he was eating it. And he was so pure. He was so pure. Hare Krishna. He was spiritually so pure that neighbors started worshipping him, because he was dedicated in taking just Lord's name. His service, his duty was only that much. So the ruler of that district was Ramachandra Khan. Okay. So he was very much envious of the devotees of Krishna, and therefore he was a great atheist. So he was not able to tolerate the respect which Haridas Thakur was, getting from the entire town. Okay. So he felt it, he felt very uncomfortable. So he wanted to dishonor him. Yeah. And he wanted to just see that in any situation, we'll just find out a fault in character of Haridas Thakur, and everyone will come to know that he's not such a pious personality. He's not such a great personality. So finally, what he did, he called all the prostitutes in that, district, and he told them, there is a devotee named Haridas Thakur in the forest. All of you devise a way to deviate him from his religious vows. So please note that Haridas Thakur was in his complete youth. Yeah, he was not an aged old person. He was full in his youth. Yeah, that was the time he had completely surrendered to the Lord, and he was just chanting Lord's name. So out of all the prostitutes he had called, there was one very attractive young girl, and she came forward and she promised that I shall go to Haridas Thakur and I will attract him. Just give me 3 days of time. So Ramachandra Khan was very, very happy because he just wanted the same thing to happen. Yeah. So he said, very good. Then you do one thing, take my constable with you. When you both, that is Haridas Thakur and yourself, are together, the constable will come and arrest you people and inform that Haridas Thakur is not such a great personality, not a great devotee. Yeah, he cannot control your senses. So he can prove that he's not a devotee. That is what his plan was. So what happened? The prostitute said, let me go first to Haridas Thakur. Let me talk to him. Yeah, let me have a union with him once. On the second time when I go, I'll take the constable and then you can arrest him. This is what the prostitute told to the Ramachandra Khan. Okay. So that night, the prostitute, she dressed herself most attractively. Yeah, she went to the cottage of Haridas Thakur. Yeah, she was seeking great pleasure. She wanted great pleasure from Haridas Thakur. So she went, she bowed down and offered prayers to Tulsi plant, which was planted in front of Haridas Thakur's cottage. Yeah? And then she went to the door of the cottage and offered obeisances to Haridas Thakur. Later, she exposed the part of her body to his view, and she sat down at his doorstep. So with very sweet words, that is the nature of a prostitute, isn't it? So she used all her beauty to disturb, Haridas Thakur. She told, my dear Thakur, oh great preacher, great devotee, you are so beautifully built and your youth is just beginning. What woman could control her mind after seeing you? I'm so eager to be united with you. My mind is greedy for this. If I don't obtain you, I shall die. So any normal person, a normal man, if he sees such a beautiful lady and requesting to have pleasure, they would waver, isn't it? They would waver for a second. Mentally, their senses would come out of the control, isn't it? But what happened? Haridas Thakur replied, I shall accept you without fail. Yeah, he did not deny her. What he said, I will accept you without fail, but you will have to wait until I finish chanting Hare Krishna on my pizza. So until I do, please sit down here and listen to the chanting of the holy name. As soon as I am finished, I shall fulfill your desire. So the prostitute was very happy because she was going to get what she had planned for, isn't it? So what she did, she sat down there itself and she was listening to the chanting, what Haridas Thakur was doing. It such happened, Haridas Thakur was chanting and chanting and chanting and chanting on his beats. He could see the light of morning. Yeah, light of morning. It was appearing out in the sky. So when she saw it was morning, so she had to leave because her duty is done for the day. She left. She went to Ramachandra Khan and said, today Haridas Thakur has promised me that he'll enjoy with me. So tomorrow certainly we'll have union together. So tomorrow is the day, she just said, and she came back. Next day evening, again, prostitute returned to Haridas Thakur cottage. And again, Haridas Thakur assured her to give the pleasure she asked for. So he also said, last night you were disappointed. Please excuse my offense. I shall certainly accept you. Please sit down here and please sit down here and please hear the chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra until my regular chanting is finished. Okay, then your desire will surely be fulfilled. So after offering obeisances to the Tulsi plant Haridas Thakur, the prostitute, she sat down at the door again and she was hearing to Haridas Thakur chanting. Yeah. So when she's hearing, of course, when we hear to some song, only we'll start singing. She was hearing to the greatest devotee of the Lord, who is completely involved in chanting Lord's name. He's a pure devotee. And you're hearing the chanting from a pure devotee, and you don't repeat after that, it's not possible. It's not at all possible. So it happens such that this lady, she also started chanting, "Oh my Lord Hari, oh my Lord Hari." Yeah, she was completely immersed in that love of chanting God's name. So when the night came to an end, the prostitute was restless. Okay. So when Haridas Thakur saw this, he said, "I have made an oath to chant 10 million names of Krishna this month. Yeah, I've taken this oath, but now the month is nearing its end. I thought today I would be able to finish. I tried my best to chant Hare Krishna all night, but still I have not finished. So tomorrow I will surely finish and my oath will be fulfilled. Then it will be possible for me to enjoy with you in full freedom." That is what Haridas Thakur said. But what we will say, I will say, today I have to chant. Yeah. Today I'm so much occupied in my work. I'll chant tomorrow. Isn't it? Then we will tell, today I'm really very, very busy. I have my headache. I have body pain. Tomorrow for sure we will chant. See the difference between a devotee and, a kami, one who is attached to the material world. We don't find time to chant. But here the devotee, he doesn't have time for any material things. He's so busy in chanting. We cannot chant like Haridas Thakur. It's not possible, isn't it? We cannot imitate them. It's really difficult. They are all great personalities. But we can take some time to chant, isn't it, in our daily life? We can make some time reserved for chanting. Yeah. So he said tomorrow. So Haridas Thakur did not want to enjoy with the prostitute. He simply tricked her to give her the chance to hear the holy name while he chanted. That is why Prabhupada always tells to us, chant little loudly, because you're chanting and you're hearing, you are getting cleansed, you are begging Krishna for service. Krishna, give me a chance to serve. So anyone, even the birds, plants, animals, people around you, even if they hear, they are also going to be blessed. Yes. So same thing here. You can see Haridas Thakur. He simply tricked her to give her the chance to hear the holy name while he chanted. So pure devotees chant Hare Krishna, and simply by hearing this chanting from a purified transcendental person, one becomes free of all sinful activities, no matter how sinful one may be. Yeah. So the prostitute then returned to Ramachandra Khan and informed him of what had happened. So the next night she went early. Yeah. And at the beginning of the evening and stayed with Haridas Thakur. After again offering obeisances to the Tulsi plant and Haridas Thakur, she sat on the doorstep and she heard Haridas Thakur chanting. She also personally chanted Hari, Hari, Hari. So today it will be possible for me to finish my oath of chanting 10 million names of Krishna this month. Haridas Thakur informed as such to the prostitute. Then I will satisfy your desire. Yeah. So he's holding up her, interest to sit down and hear the chanting. Like today I'm going to finish. So hold on. Yeah. You will get a chance today. Then next day, the morning came. Yeah, we have the morning there. Haridas Thakur was still chanting. Yeah, still chanting. But here something else happened. Because of association with whom? With the pure devotee of the Lord, Haridas Thakur, the prostitute's mind had changed. She fell at his lotus feet and confessed Ramachandra Khan had sent her to him to pollute him. Because I've taken the profession of prostitute, she said, I have performed unlimited sinful acts. My Lord, be merciful to me. Deliver my fallen soul. Yeah, she begged at the feet of Haridas Thakur. So Haridas Thakur replied, I know everything about the conspiracy of Ramachandra Khan. He's nothing but an ignorant fool. Therefore, his activities do not make me feel unhappy. I would have left this place immediately when I understood he was planning this intrigue against me. But because you came here, I stayed here to deliver you. So whatever happens, it is all in Krishna's hand. Krishna wanted to deliver that lady who was professionally a prostitute, yeah, by means of a pure devotee, that is Haridas Thakur. Yeah, so that is the reason whenever we get an opportunity to hear Harinam and someone tells you to chant Harinam, it means God has chosen us to do that activity, and without hesitating, we need to take it up immediately. The prostitute replied, kindly act as my spiritual master. Instruct me in my duty so I can become free from material existence. So Haridas Thakur said, immediately go back home, distribute whatever property you have to Brahmins, then come back to this cottage and stay here forever in Krishna consciousness. Chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra continuously and serve the Tulsi plant by watering her and offering prayers to her. So in this way, you will very soon achieve the shelter of lotus feet of Krishna. So after giving the prostitute these instructions, Haridas Thakur stood up and left the place, continuously chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So soon after this, the prostitute, as instructed by her spiritual master, Haridas Thakur, she went back home, distributed all her possessions she had in the household, yeah, to the Brahmins, yeah. Later, what happened? She shaved her head completely clean, yeah, stayed in that cottage in the forest, wearing only one cloth, okay. So following the steps of spiritual master, she began to chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra 3 lakhs times daily. She chanted all day and night. She worshipped Tulsi plant, and instead of eating regularly, she achieved whatever food she received as alms. If nothing was supplied, she would fast. Okay. Thus, by eating little and fasting, she conquered her senses. You keep on feeding your senses, controlling them is very difficult. Yeah, so you control your senses, you can chant easily. That is why in ISKCON we have 4 regulative principles. When you follow those 4 regulative principles, you can control your senses. When you control your senses, chanting become easy for us. Yeah, easy. Yeah. So as soon as she controlled her senses, the symptoms of the love of God appeared in her person. In this way, the prostitute became a famous devotee. Yeah, she became very advanced in spiritual life. That is why whenever you cannot chant, please play Prabhupada's chanting. It is available. Yeah, it is available in YouTube. Vanipedia, there is one website. You can get it there. Or ISKCON Desire Tree. You can just download the audio where Prabhupada is chanting. Just hear to it. If you can't chant also, hear to it. But at least chant 1 round every day. Yes, Mataji?
The holy name is universal and the supreme religion for this age. Dhyayan krite yajan yajnais tretayam dyoparichayan yadapnoti tadapnoti kalau sankirtya keshavam. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. So whatever is achieved by meditation in Satya Yoga, by performance of Yagna in Treta Yoga, and by worship of Krishna lotus feet in Dwapara Yoga is also obtained in age of Kali by simply by chanting and glorifying Lord Keshava. So it has been stated in Vishnu Purana, Padma Purana, and also Vrinadya Purana. Naradiya Purana. Yes, Yatika Mataji, we have 4 regulative principles, that is no meat eating, no toxication, means you have to be intoxicated, you are not going to take any toxins into your body, no gambling and no illicit sex. Okay, so austerity, you will have cleanliness, you will have compassion or mercy. Yes, so these are very, very important. You can control your senses. So you can chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra very much easily, very much easily. That is why we all are controlling our senses by following these 4 principles and also chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. But if you start, Krishna will make way for us to chant Hare Krishna. So let's start chanting today. So just tomorrow is the only day where I am chanting, you all are hearing. From day after, we all are going to chant together. So we'll start chanting. So today again, I'll hold my bead outside so that you can observe how am I chanting. From day after, my beads will be in the bag itself. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Yes, so this is the Krishna bead. You should hold the Krishna bead. You're not going to touch your index finger. Yes. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. So we are telling the Panchatattva mantra. The reason is because we are taking shelter of the Panchatantra. I'm sorry, let me put this one. Panchatattva, all the 5 important personalities. Reason is we should not commit any offenses. Yes, Hare Krishna. So we'll start chanting on the first bead. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So we've finished the first round of chanting. Yeah. So you see it very simple. Yeah, we all can do. We are doing such difficult work in a day, right? We have to study, we have to do other material works. You should go to office, you should travel, you need to cook. So many things we are doing. Chanting is so simple. Yeah, it's so simple. Anyone can do, any age. No, no, we are not going to discriminate among your age, your your caste, your religion, yeah, or whatever condition you are. Whether you are not following the 4 regulative principles, you're eating meat, yeah, you're into gambling, you're taking toxic components, yeah, still please chant, because that is the only thing which will purify us, yeah. Chant. However, you think you're the worst of the worst person, worst, I always feel I'm the worst of the worst, means we are fallen souls, we are always worst, yeah. So please chant. That's the only way. Okay, I want to share one thing. Yes, Kiran Mataji, my Wi-Fi was not working from 3 p.m. and suddenly it started on its own at 8. Okay. I was worried whether I will able to attend session using mobile data. See now, Mataji, Krishna will give you way. Krishna has said us, isn't it? We should have faith in him. That's all. We should have faith. We think we know everything. We think everything is in our hand. But once you give your hand, yeah, in Krishna's hand, you know how nicely he'll take us. Yeah. Sometimes you'll be shocked and surprised. If I tell it, you might not get the feeling. You should feel it. Very nice, Kiran Mataji. I'm very happy to know that. Yes. So please don't waste. Kindly don't waste. You might think like I'm requesting, but please understand, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told his disciples to go and request people to chant. The devotees of the Lord, we have no other work than requesting you people to chant. Okay, so kindly please chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So we will all meet tomorrow, the 4th class of knowing the glories of Lord's name. Yeah, and day after tomorrow we all are going to chant together. I don't know, I want to see all of you. Yeah, please on your videos hold the mala and we are all chanting. Yes. Yes, Jashpir Prabhu, Hare Krishna, Jashpir Mataji, Roy, I think Prabhu. I don't know. I should see you people and we all can chant. This can happen. No, I'm asking every day. Waiting for day after tomorrow. Sankarshan Prabhu, Hare Krishna. Okay, yes. So I'm waiting. Just tomorrow one day. Actually, I'm going in a slower speed. We'll go in that speed itself. Once you get practice, our speed will be little faster. But please remember, when you're chanting, speed is not important. Yeah. The way you're pronouncing, completely pronounce it, and you need to hear it. That is how we can concentrate on chanting. Some people will close their eyes and they chant in their mind. It's very difficult to, control our mind. You might fall asleep or you might get away with the thoughts of your mind. Yeah. So the only way to control your mind and chant attentively is to hear what you're chanting and see that you're pronouncing it properly. Okay. Yeah. If you want, you just record once what you're chanting and see whether you're chanting, pronouncing the words properly. Yeah. Just practice. So anything, Mataji, we can continuously chant. Continuously you can chant, or whenever you have time, you can chant. But once you start one round, no, complete that round. Once you start a round, finish it. 1 or 8 times you finish it. Second round, you can chant when you're free. Or else you have time, you can chant 4 rounds together. Not a problem. Yeah, you can start chanting. Okay, depends upon how much time is available for you. Only thing, concentration, and you have love on Krishna. Yes, Mataji, we should chant at least 4 rounds. Okay, try to see that you make time in your whole day. Chant one round whenever you feel free. Morning 1 round, after breakfast 1 round, after lunch 1 round, evening 1 round, and night with me 1 round. So 4 rounds done. Yeah, please try to distribute like that. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Prapti Mataji. Thank you, Chaitra Mataji. So we will all meet tomorrow.
Yes, Mataji. Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
Mataji. Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhu bhaya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Shri Krishna arpanamastu. Hare Krishna, everyone.